Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a review and unboxing of the Olight S2R BATON 2. Just forewarning, I've had this flashlight for about a year and a half, and I lost it about 6 months ago while I was doing some stuff outside, and so I missed it so much that I had to order another one. And also to tell you guys is this is going for about $89 right now on Amazon, and I will make sure to put an affiliate link in the description below, just to let you guys know that brings no extra cost to the customer who clicks that link, but it just gives us a little kickback on our channel. So to start off with, it when I first bought this light, I paid about 90 bucks for it, and my wife was absolutely livid that I paid that much for a flashlight. And before this light I was using just your cheap LED lights that you buy in a 5-pack at the dollar store or whatever, and you use those lights. They're pretty good, but I mean you're always either replacing the batteries, or if they get wet it just burns them right out. And so I was kind of sick of it, and I kind of like the EDC kind of idea. So I was looking for a really good flashlight that was dependable and waterproof, and I could carry in my pocket every single day. So like I said, I lost this about 6 months ago, and I felt naked without it. It's surprising once you have a flashlight in your pocket everywhere you go how much you use it. And I gotta say that this Olight here is the perfect size, and it's nice and bright, and if you subscribe to my channel you'll be seeing me use this regularly on pretty much lots of my videos. So let's get to it. We're gonna unbox this thing. And so this is obviously my second light, and I had to purchase another one. And just to tell you guys, my wife liked my flashlight so much because she uses it for candling her eggs that she asked me to order her one too. So I bought 2 of these. So to start off with, it says pull out here and then read me. So I don't really have to read it because I kind of know how this all goes together, but it just basically tells you that there's something on the contact there that you got to pull out in order for the flashlight to operate. And it's always a good idea to charge this thing before you use it. And then it just comes with their bigger flashlight, some advertising for their Warrior X, and that might be one of my future flashlights from them, but I'm just mostly interested in this small EDC style one. And then of course it comes with instructions, and it's all in all different languages, so you just pick which one you can read and then you go through it. And then what it comes with is a little bag, and I still have the bag from my last flashlight. I've never used it. I actually just give this to my kids. They can put their stuff in there. And then it comes with a charge cord. What I like about this flashlight, it's a magnetic charge. So it's the battery lasts a long time, but all it does is it connects to the magnet on your side. I'll show you that right now. So this is the actual light. It comes with your standard blue clip, and the charger just clicks on. It's magnetic, and then it's got a little light here, so it'll be red when the battery's dead, and then it'll turn green once it's charged. So it comes with that. And then I dropped it, but it comes with a little lanyard here, and there's a little hole right there where the lanyard slides through, and you can hang it on your backpack or whatever. I'm not really sure what that's for. I've never used it. That's basically all that's in the box, and this is the light itself. So it should have, oh yeah, here we go. It comes with a spare clip, and this is the blackout clip. See if I can get this open here. And so you can just easily just clip this off and then exchange it for the black. So whatever you prefer, the blackout version. either way, it's a very good idea to keep both these clips, because as you can see, it's fairly easy to pull off. And that's what happened with my old light, is the clip fell off and I lost the light. So this light, I'm gonna be very careful with the clip and keep an eye on it all the time, just because it's pretty, like, it takes a bit of force to get off there, but it does tend to fall off every now and then. So that's the one downside to this light, is it's a friction fit clip, and so just keep an eye on that. As for the light, this thing is insanely bright. So to get this flashlight to work, as the card says, is there's a plastic piece over to the contact there, and so it just says to unscrew the top. So you just unscrew, and you'll probably see there's a yellow piece that's touching the battery there, so it won't operate. So just to tell you guys, it's always a good practice to charge your battery before initial use, but in this case it's brand new, and I'll just turn it on and it does show a green light. That button there, it'll show you, I don't know if you can see it, I'll try to focus in there. It shows you a green status, and so this light will have a green light for the full battery, yellow light for medium battery, and then red for just about dead. So it'll just give you an indicator on what your battery status is. And so what I love about this flashlight is it's got many different settings. So for the first time, you just press and hold, and then that'll give you moonlight mode. And it's very, very dim light, and I use this a lot for when I'm hunting. Going out to my tree stand early in the morning. It'll just provide me with enough light to see where I'm going, but it won't spook the deer out of the way. It's very, very dim. And also, if you're a reader, if you don't want to disturb your significant other or your kids, that moonlight mode, it won't cast a massive beam, and it'll just be nice and dim, so you can see what you're doing when you're reading and not affect anything else. So that's a very, very nice feature to have. And then, so if you hold on and then you hold again, it'll go to 3 different settings, like that. And for typical use, I usually leave it on the bright setting, and because I'm doing a lot of stuff when the sun goes down and it's pretty dark out, so the bright is probably the best for me. But if you want to conserve your battery, you just go to the medium setting, and that's plenty bright enough to see where you're going even in the perfect dark, and it'll last a lot longer when you use that setting. And then it also has a turbo mode, so double click and then it'll go to the brightest setting, and you can tell it's that. I'll show you in my future videos when I'm doing chores at night that you can see a long distance and everything brights up nice and bright. The only thing is with this turbo mode, this flashlight gets extremely hot, so it actually has a timer as to how long it stays on turbo mode, and then it'll shut down to the brightest mode. So, and then another nice feature of this is when you click it, it has a memory. So the last setting I had it on was bright, and it'll go back to that. If you want to change that, you press it on and go to the medium settings, say, and then shut it off, and then it'll go back to the medium setting. So that's very nice to have. And then the triple click will give you a strobe. So if you're ever in an emergency situation, it's a very nice bright. I think it's on the bright setting, and in the nighttime that'll flash like crazy. So very, very handy light. And I'll quickly show you what it kind of looks like on my hip. So you can see the light, it's about the size of my hand. It fits nice comfortably in my hand. And then to put it in my pocket, just clip it on the side there, and you can see it fits nicely in the pocket. You'll never even notice it. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like this video, be sure to press that like button and then subscribe to this channel if you want to see this flashlight in use in real life. I do a lot of nighttime chores and checks and everything, so this light will be sure to be in use in my future videos. And also feel free to share this video. If you know somebody that wants a good flashlight, this is definitely the one to get, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.